In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Canva presentation as a PowerPoint. If you've been designing your slides on Canva, but need to present them using Microsoft PowerPoint, you're in the right place. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you have no trouble along the way. First, make sure you have your Canva presentation ready to go. Open it up on your Canva dashboard. Once you're there, direct your gaze toward the top right hand corner of the screen. You'll see the share button. Go ahead and click on it. This button is key to exporting your design, and it acts as a gateway to a range of sharing and downloading options that Canva provides. After clicking share, a menu will appear, filled with various options. Your next task is to find and click on See All. This option might not be immediately visible, as Canva likes to keep its interface clean and tidy, so make sure to look carefully. Clicking on See All will reveal more export options. Now from this list, you'll want to select Microsoft PowerPoint. This is the format we're aiming for. By choosing this option, Canva will prepare your slides to be compatible with PowerPoint, ensuring that all your hard work in designing translates well into your presentation tool of choice. Once you're satisfied with your selection, it's time to finalize the download. Click on Download. At this point, Canva will begin converting your presentation into a PowerPoint compatible file. Be patient here, as the time this takes will depend on the size of your presentation and the speed of your internet connection. Once the download is complete, you'll find your new file in your designated downloads folder or wherever your downloaded files typically appear. Voila! Your Canva presentation is now saved as a PowerPoint file, ready for you to use. Before I let you go, here are a few quick tips. Before performing the download, double check your presentation in Canva. Make sure all elements are polished, as the export process will mirror exactly what you see on the screen. Additionally, once you've opened it in PowerPoint, go through the slides to ensure everything has transitioned smoothly. At times, text or images might slightly shift due to format changes, so a final check is always a good idea. There you have it. You've successfully saved your Canva creation as a PowerPoint presentation. This method is great for when you need the robust features of PowerPoint with the creative strengths of Canva. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.